Okay, everybody, so this is my final presentation for modeling fundamentals. My favorite assignment for this class was probably 3.3. I really enjoyed modeling this arcade cabinet. I especially enjoyed the texture mapping and creating the UV map. UV mapping is something that I've had trouble with in the past with other 3D programs, but it's a lot easier with Maya. And hunting down these images on Google search and getting them applied to these surfaces the way I wanted and everything looking like it did was a lot of fun. The side panel image I actually had to kind of create myself. I couldn't find the one I wanted, so I found this bird with the joust guy and then this logo, and actually kind of created this one myself in Photoshop. And then let's see, right here is my actual UV snapshot texture map with the textures applied to it. A lot of them are just plain black. Some of them are a gray, like textured surface, more, not so much the flat surface like this one here. But I really enjoyed this particular project a lot. I thought it was a lot of fun. Um, Texturing is really, really important, and it's something that was probably my favorite thing that I learned. Creating UV snapshots and assigning texture maps to the surfaces. Like I said, but I've had trouble before with UV mapping. A lot of softwares that I've experienced in the past don't make it as simple as Maya does, where you can actually select individual faces and go in and assign surfaces individually like you can. So I really enjoyed that aspect of Maya, especially. So that project was a lot of fun for me. Um, you know, it, text, Texturing, in my opinion, is one of the most important aspects of modeling. You applying textures and creating textures can really make a model a lot better. Just using the built-in surface editor, you can only do so much, but actually being able to apply textures and being able to select individual faces like you can really brings a lot out of an object. So that was one of my favorite things I learned. And I definitely feel like moving forward, that's going to be a very critical skill to have, not just in the remainder of this course, but also with the future career opportunities. You can make a model perfect, but if it's not textured well, it's not going to matter. So I think that's a really, really important part. And that was my absolute favorite part of this course so far. Learning to use Maya for modeling and learning a lot of the tools, especially like the insert edge loop and things like that. Those are tools I'm not used to. Some of these tools like extrude and bevel and things like that I've seen in other 3D softwares that I've used, but the insert edge loop, that's one I haven't seen. Same with a pen to polygon. Those are tools I'm not familiar with prior to this course in Maya. So I can't wait to see what other tools we learn moving forward, but I do feel like this course really helped prepare us for what we're going to be moving into, especially, like I said, with the UV mapping and how in depth we got with applying so many different textures to so many different surfaces. So I can't wait to move forward. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing what we do in the future.